Hello everyone, welcome to Keeping Up with Linda. Today I'm going to be making cheddar cheese biscuits and they are delicious. Join me. So for this recipe you're going to need biscuit mix. I got mine at Bulk Barn. You're going to need milk. You're going to need some shredded cheddar cheese, some beautiful fresh parsley. You're going to need a baking sheet, some parchment paper, a spoon or an ice cream scooper, a spatula, a bowl, and a knife. And that's about it. I'm going to start by chopping my parsley. Just like that, nicely chopped. So we're going to start with the biscuit mix. I'm going to do about 3 cups of it. Now we add the cheese. And the cheese, you know what? You play it by ear. The more the merrier. I'm going to start by using, it's about 2 cups, but then if I feel like I want to use more, I'll do more. Mix it well. And now we're going to add the milk. We don't want to overmix it, but we need to make sure that there's no lumps of dry flour. So it's turning into a ball in the middle of the bowl, so it's a sign that it's ready. And it seems to have enough cheese, looks good. $4.25 and start. So while they bake, we're going to melt quite a bit of butter or margarine with some garlic powder. So let's poke one and see if they're done. Yeah, the stick is dry. I'm just gonna give it another 2 minutes. So let's just melt the butter. Okay, let's get these beauties out. Nice and toasty. And now we're just gonna brush them with the lovely melted butter and garlic powder. They're so easy and fast to make. All right. They're so nice and soft. Let's open one up. Look at that. Yummy. So there you go, guys. Delicious cheddar cheese biscuits. Really easy to make. Thanks for watching.